Okay, I'm in the middle of making these. Welcome to Louise McKay Art. And what I'm doing is I'm creating ahead of time for 4th of July because I was just making something patriotic. So I was thinking, you know what, let me just make something else. So I decided I'm going to try using the same colors I did on my flag for a swipe. Now, I've already done one. Turned out pretty cool. All right, and I'm going to have to go fast forward because this takes a little time, and you're not going to want to watch me do all of it. So all I'm doing is just laying down a little S pattern that I'm going to swipe. And I'm going to have red, white, and blue. That's my Payne's gray. It's a little tail feather. Another mixture of blue, starting with bluish green by Amsterdam, among others. I'll have everything listed in the description. Here is the metallic blue by Artist Loft. And why is it moving? All right, now my white. I'm doing this because I want to burn up these paints. So this is my white in the red, white, and blue part. Now this is iridescent silver by Glidden. And then my iridescent pearl by Glidden and Chantilly lace. One of my favorite little pearly combinations. Now the reds, of course we have Bordeaux. So I'm going to share a little bit about myself personally, since I don't usually talk about myself much during the videos, and why I'm doing this Memorial Day and 4th of July commemoration. And I served in the military. I went to West Point. I was in the class of '84, so I was in the 5th class with women that were accepted there. And then I went and I served in Germany as a military police officer for the 5 years that I did serve. And one of the reasons why I went to West Point is because I have always been very patriotic. Back in the day when there used to be an old-fashioned patriotism, and when I would hear the Star-Spangled Banner prior to games in high school, or hear taps when I was at West Point or in the Army, it always put a lump in my throat. So I think it's very important that we commemorate those folks who have given their lives in service to this country to keep us safe and free. So I'm just throwing that in as a little bit about myself and, you know, why I'm doing this today. And I'm hopefully going to have another video out for Monday with another patriotic art piece. All right, palette knife and cell activator. So, gonna mix it. Oh shoot, I gotta put some in there too. Oh, brother. I'm gonna be out before I know it. This is not exactly how I did the other one, so I'm curious how this is gonna come out. I'm just playing, you know? Every once in a while, you just gotta mess around. All right, and I can't believe it's almost Memorial Day. And I'm thinking, holy God, before I know it, it's gonna be the 4th of July. All right, there's the white. Mix up the black. Add a couple little drizzles of black on there. All right, let's have some fun. That's a cute little S. Cute. He's cute. And I didn't want to do a bloom because I just knew if I bloomed, everything would turn purple, just like the edge is turning right there. Because, of course, when you have red and blue, you make purple. So I'm just messing around, you know, every once in a while you just gotta play. So I'm gonna throw in here, just like making a regular coaster doing the bloom technique, you still want to get all the pillow and the paint to the edges before I start to spin so that the paint has somewhere to flow to. Give it a spin. I probably have just enough colors to get 2 more out of here because I'm almost out of the white-ish colors. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Oh, this one's way cooler than the first one. But you know what? Hey, they're all different. It's just the way it goes. Swipes are really different. I could create blooms pretty close to each other. Swipes, not so much. At least not yet. I gotta get there. I gotta get my reliability with swipes. You know, and if people are gonna have barbecues and things, they might want to put out some really cool 4th of July coasters. I mean, how cool would that be to have your cup sitting on top of that? Or your beer, or whatever. I like this one. I like these big, fat, juicy cells here. I don't want to lose them, though. Oh, yeah, I love it. I love it. This is cute. Ah, what? This looks like Pepsi. Red, white, and blue. I can do a Pepsi commercial with this. One more spin. We'll call it done. Yep. Yep. I like this. Cool. Let me clean it up real quick. I'll show you in a second. And then I'll do a flyover of all of them as I usually do. Probably by the end. Here she is. How cute is that? So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here's the one we just created, and then we have the first coaster and the 3rd and 4th. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest tutorials. And give me a thumbs up, and please leave some comments. And I'll have a Bloom Coaster playlist at the end. Thanks a lot. Take care, everybody.